I stopped it now. I know what you're doing. I'm waiting for it. You're gonna happen now. There you go. Happy now? Stupid ghost. All day long. Andrew Hickle, part 2. Sounds like an Andrew Seagull. There's one new single. J1 Hickle Records. There you go.